You won't be able to see it, but we stuffed in a lot of, my father got confetti. Little tiny, like, metallic stars. And we jammed it inside. And I could actually see it in person. I could actually see the confetti come out. But you probably won't see it on film. See if we got a light. Keep your eyes on it. Three, two, one. Woohoo! Whoa, look at that. I saw the confetti. Man, that baby's up there. Three, two, one. Woohoo! Whoa, look at that. I saw the confetti. Man, that baby's up there. Pick it up.
There she is, still warm. No. That was a great flight.
They want to go up straight.
That's empty.
This is my homemade cardboard G.I. Joe tank. It can fit 2 G.I. Joe figures, one up here, one in this area. It can rotate all the way around. It can actually really fire rocket engines out of the barrel to simulate like it's shooting. I gave it 2 barrels. This is a cardboard shorter one, and this is a bigger plastic one. And I had 2 different engines. One I left stock and one I modified to see the difference. So this is how I build it, and it actually firing. This is how it's rigged. The cable goes underneath the tank into the barrel compartment. into the barrel with the engine inside. This is what it will look like inside. How the cables are fed into the barrel. That's all. This is the other rocket. This one has actual nose cone and I put fins on it. And this is what this barrel looks like of this one. It's longer and this is more aerodynamic. And the engine that's in there is just a regular one with no fins and no nose cone. So we're going to try this and see what the difference in accuracy is and hope that this isn't set on fire. Three, two, one.
Yeah. Where is it? There.
So the distance from here to there is what? About how many feet? You're in the Marines.
Yeah, right. Let's see, 10, 20,
Right.
30 yards.
30 yards, he says. We'll try the next barrel and see how further it goes.
Yeah, this didn't have any head on or nothing.
No head or
wonder,
fins.
That's why I wasn't supposed to go far, really.
The fins. Just slide it down. There it is at the end. And I'll rig it like you saw last time. Three, two, one. Three, two, one. The third rocket is a homemade sort of Frankenstein rocket. We weren't supposed to get this back because I wanted to put a really powerful engine in there and just see it go away. But we actually got it back, and if you want to know how to build one, here's a short video. All right, ready?
Yeah, let's go.
Yeehaw! 3, 2, 1. Parachute came out. Wow, that's up there. What the hell? Did that actually work? Wow, that's up there. Three, 2, 1. Parachute came out. Wow, that's up there.
Beautiful.
What the hell? Did that actually work?
Beautiful.
Perfect. It went up high, but we had enough area for it to come back down.
That goes to that Target parachute, by the way.
Target parachute.
Homemade.
And the cap, the nose is still on there, and even some of the wadding. Perfect.
Beautiful.